Hello children, in the last video we have discussed about the earth and its shape. Let us revise shortly about the earth. The earth is the only planet where life exists. Why life exists? Because it has water and air on its surface, which is essential for the life. For the life, water and air is most important, and it is available only on the earth. Okay, then earth is the third planet from the sun. Then what is the shape of the earth? The actual shape of the earth is an oblate spheroid, right? Means not perfectly round. The north pole and the south pole is flat, and from the center the surface is bulged, means sticky in the surface. Okay, so this is all about the earth and its shape. Now today we are going to discuss about globe and maps. Let's see. So today we will discuss about the globe in detail. What is globe? A globe is a three-dimensional model of the earth. A globe is a small model of the earth. Okay, it is a small model of the earth, and as the earth is so large, we cannot look at it as a whole. It is so much large that we cannot look as it whole. We can see only one side of the part of the earth, and other side is hidden. So we can see only one side of the earth. It is so much large. A globe is useful to study different places on the earth. We can study different places on the earth with the help of the globe. Then next is, it shows us the position of land and water. So how much portion is of land and how much portion is of water, that is shown in the globe. Then it is difficult to carry a huge globe. It is bigger one, right? It is very large, so we cannot carry this globe with us. So we can see only half of the earth at a time. Means we can see only the half part of the earth at a time. So we have to rotate the globe to see other half. Means the other half is on the back side. So if we want to see the other half, we have to rotate the globe. Okay, so this is all about the globe. Means globe is a small model of the earth. As the earth is so large, we cannot look at it as a whole. A globe is useful to study different places on the earth. It shows us the position of the land and water. We can only see half of the earth at a time, because half of the earth is on the next side that we cannot see. So we have to rotate the globe to see the other half. This is all about the globe. Now next we will see about the what is a map? A map is a flat and two-dimensional drawing of the entire or a particular portion of the earth. Means you can see a particular portion on the earth, that is on map. A map is used to study about the place on the earth. You can study about the different places on the earth with the help of the map. It can show only a part of the earth's surface in detail at one time. That is, for example, if you want to see India on the map, it can show only that part of the map on map, right? If you want to see the part of only the Indian place, if you want to see, you can see on the map at a one time. A book of map is known as an atlas. There are many maps of different world, of a whole world, of different countries, different state. So you can see all this map in one book, that is known as atlas. Then maps are easier to carry, and a person who make map is called a cartographer. They are called, the person who make map is known as cartographer. Okay, this is all about map. Have a nice day. Thank you.